Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives. This is a playlist of prompt engineering. What do you really mean by prompt engineering is the way you interact with the AI like ChatGPT and Bard that will give you more efficient results. If you are someone who knows what AI structure, what ChatGPT was built on, you could ask the right prompts and get the best results from it. So this would be a playlist with a lot of content regarding upskilling, preparation of interviews, content creation, everything you will find during this playlist. Do check out the link in the description for the original resource which has been used to develop this complete playlist. You will find it, you can download and use it for yourself. Along with that, you will find the complete playlist. So this is what the topic for today, talking about upskilling, marketing, content creation, and UI UX job interviews. This video is clearly focusing on upskilling and utilizing ChatGPT potentials to learn a skill and grow. Let's quickly get on to the upskilling topics and prompts that ChatGPT will help you build a skill set, get mentorship and guidance from the chapter. Let's quickly get on to the prompt anatomy. How do you write the prompt? What should be the structure? First and foremost, look at assigning a role, because once you assign a role, ChatGPT gets into that mode. You are a senior UX mentor. Define a task. Give me a weekly routine to improve my UX design skills, especially mobile OS, that you have been specific designing a task. Set constraint, include uncommon advice and underrated UI UX resources. So this is something that you should do while giving a prompt to upskill yourself in the area of UX. Let's try to see if ChatGPT really works in the same way and gives you that option and developing things that we have thought of. Let's quickly try to jump into this kind of prompt and try to see if really this is delivering the right answer or it is giving you something that you have not experienced in the past. Let's quickly get into it. Let's get on to chatgpt.ai, log in with your Gmail ID, and then quickly put in the chat prompt that we just discussed. Let's try to see what is the thing that UI UX designer mentor and what kind of a guidance that ChatGPT is going to give us. You can see on the screen it is giving you a detailed breakup day wise, right? It is structuring you in the specific details of the iOS apps and all those details which are there on your screen. You can clearly see asking this prompt in this fashion will give you a detailed and a unique response which will help you develop that skill. So if you have learned something interesting, do press that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's quickly move on to the next manner in which the prompts can be derived and you could actually benefit from it. Let's quickly get on to our presentation slide where we'll move on to the next way. Next way is to assign a role in the form of a personality and ask a doubt. Define a task that use exact mental models, thought processes, and tone of the voice of the personality that you would have thought, and also give you an answer in a step-by-step actionable manner. Define a goal in the manner that I'm asking a doubt. I want to get a job at Google as a developer, straight out of college, and I'm in my second year studying chemical engineering in India. How would I plan my next 2 years and what are the resources that I will need for upskilling myself? Let's try to see if this kind of a personality based trait helps you develop a better model, right, in terms of guidance. Let's try to get into it and now try to copy and paste that kind of a prompt and let's see if it really gives you a good result, because this is something like if you are able to give a right response to ChatGPT, I'm sure ChatGPT will actually give you a good guidance in that sense. Let's try to see if this prompt really works well. Let's try to put the same prompt that we discussed into ChatGPT to understand if we are getting the right results. Let's quickly get into here and just try to paste in the mental model of Sundar Pichai, right? We are trying to show that if I get into the mind of Sundar Pichai, right? And if he is giving me the advice for upskilling and getting a job at Google, right? Can you see on your screen? It is actually, I'm Sundar Pichai. I'm thrilled to address your doubt regarding preparation yourself in career into Google. You can see step-by-step guidance you are getting on to this complete development of skill and getting into an organization like Google. So this is something I think is very helpful. If you can put a legendary AI mindset onto your prompt, this will definitely help. Let's quickly get back onto our presentation slides and try to get and see the next topic that we have: prompts for marketing. This video we will find in the description as well in the complete playlist. If you like such videos, then definitely subscribe to the channel, check out the playlist, check out all information about the prompt engineering. The ebook that is there, the original resource, is completely there in the description box. You can utilize it, join their course. All information is there. To share this video and check out all the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much and bye bye.